Hi TCG product sellers. If you are interested in expanding your current business in an unmanned retail way, check this out. I have a very good solution. This is one of our TCG product vending machine. It's with a big capacity, suitable for selling the box and the boosters. So we get a spiral to sell the boosters. Each slot can accommodate 22 to 23 pieces. In a full tray, we have 10 slots. For the other trays, we have pushers to sell the box. So the space of each slot can be easily adjusted by you. You can just move the flappers to whenever you want. It's with an elevator to make sure every product is delivered safely. Elevator goes up, catch the product, and deliver to this auto opening door. This is an interactive touch screen, so customers make the purchase from here and they make the payment by credit card or even by cash. You can install extra cash acceptors here or even or here. So the sticker is designed by our customer, very attractive. So if you buy the machine from us, you can design your own sticker. Upon receiving the artwork from you, we'll print it out and attach it onto the machines.
Vending machine for sale.